Our modern world works today because of computer scientists. The vast majority of money today exists only on computers, and a computer can tell a fake smile from a real one. In 2020 alone, an estimated 31 billion devices were connected to the internet.
This course has a practical, problem solving approach. You are taught how to design effective solutions to complex problems. Not only this course will build a robust foundation, but will also equip you with the right skills to apply in the corporate world. Our pedagogy is based on the practical and application skills. You will also develop a firm understanding of how computers work as well as effective computer programming. Our graduates are highly sought after. We'll help you build strong links with the industry and give you the opportunity to take part in a 3-month summer placement or a 1-year placement. You'll also have the chance to experience diverse international teaching methods if you choose to study with us. Here at Sterling, you can enjoy access to a vibrant community. You'll get exposure to BCS chapters, and you can join an active project and other activities. When you graduate with a BSc Honours Computer Science degree, you will be fully accredited by the British Computer Society, making you a Chartered Information Technology professional. 100% of our graduates of this course are in work or doing further studies 6 months after finishing. You will develop strong professional skills on industry placements with local enterprises and large multinationals. You will first take core modules in computing science. Core concepts include computational thinking, programming using Java, social and professional issues, usability and accessibility of interfaces, data structures, objects and algorithms, and a mathematics module. You will also cover modules such as computer system, software engineering, computer security, networks, artificial intelligence, web services, and telecommunications. Honors students work on an independent project in their final year. The choice of project topic can be motivated by a particular interest that you have and may involve the design and development of a major piece of software. All these modules combined, along with a hands-on project, make sure that you are industry ready and also enable you to choose and apply in multiple job roles.
We are Sterling UAE, and we are here to be the difference. Are you ready to join our family? Please visit our website for more details on the courses we offer.